Well, my name is Hasha McQueen Gadberry. My full name is Halesia Franklina McQueen Gadberry, but most people call me Hasha. And I'm an attorney, and I do business law, mainly for small, mid-sized businesses and individuals. And I also do immigration work. It's a very long road. The federal system is very complicated, and it takes many years to become a U.S. citizen. So when you're talking about from coming from another country here and then ultimately becoming a U.S. citizen, what you're talking about is probably between 2 to 8 years through the process, probably paying an attorney thousands and thousands of dollars to do so. And it's a very long, uncertain future. And today, in the climate we have now in immigration, it is very difficult to tell clients whether or not they're going to get approved. It is a very, very hostile climate for immigration right now. And it didn't always used to be like that.
Well, I actually immigrated to the States back in '79, in June. I married a military United States Air Force gentleman and went from London to California, which was a big difference to me. Immigration back then was a lot easier. As far as I remember, it wasn't too difficult. And the most difficult thing I remember having was people could not understand my accent. I had to learn to speak a lot slower and learn to curb the accent. After filling in loads and loads of forms, having my x-rays taken, I guess, to make sure that I didn't have any undue diseases that I was supposed to bring over, I had went to the American Embassy, and they just seemed to ask me set standard questions, nothing particular, and it was over. The interview was over in like 10 minutes. You know, you sit outside waiting for a lot longer, and they just said to me, okay, go outside, pay $50 or whatever I had to pay then, and okay, you're good to go, and we'll let you know what's happening.
As what I call the three-headed monster, which is immigration, and there's 3 different departments that operate separately and together. As those have grown and the bureaucracy has grown, it has created more of a quagmire for people that are trying to ultimately obtain citizenship in this country.